How much will the GoPro Hero 8 cost? The Hero 8 Black is available to order today, October 1st, and it starts shipping on October 15th. It will sit alongside GoPro's new $499,360 degree camera, the Max, and the Hero 7 Black, which now costs $299. The Hero 7 Silver will round out GoPro's lineup at $199, while the Hero 7 White is being discontinued. How long does GoPro battery last? How long a GoPro battery will last depends on a number of factors. How long does a GoPro battery last? From 1.5 to 2 hours with the following settings: continual video shooting in 1080p at 60 fps, the most popular video setting. Is GoPro releasing a new camera? GoPro's flagship action cameras usually arrive like clockwork every September, and a leak from China, picked up by Photo Rumors, suggests this will be the case. We're obviously already quite far into September 2019, but an announcement later this month remains on the cards according to the latest rumors. What is the most expensive GoPro? The latest version of GoPro Hero 7 Black is currently the highest priced GoPro in the market. Official price is $31,999 and you will get say $500–$1,000 discount basis your seller. Essentially GoPro brings in a new update every year, so unless they are launching Hero 8 this year, Hero 7 Black stands to be the champion here. Which GoPro is the best? 1. GoPro Hero 7 Black, the best GoPro camera. The Hero 7 Black is not only the best GoPro, in our opinion, it's the best action cameras on the market. Unlike any other GoPro before it, the Hero 7 Black has built-in hyper-smooth technology, which is the most advanced stabilization method we've seen on an action camera. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.